All set to take your first Praxis exam but not sure about the registration process? Don't worry, you're in the right place. My name is Emily. I'm a licensed educator and a test prep expert here at Study.com. We're proud to partner with ETS, the official provider of the Praxis exams, to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information straight from the source. Today, we'll walk you through the Praxis registration process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know what to expect at every stage. Ready? Let's get into it. The Praxis is a series of standardized teacher certification exams administered by the Educational Testing Service, or ETS. Think of it as the gateway to your teaching career. It's designed to check your general academic capabilities and subject-level knowledge to ensure you're fully prepared to lead a classroom. Around half of the states around the U.S. need aspiring educators to pass one or more Praxis exams to get their official teaching license or certificate. So failing to plan for the Praxis can impact your timeline and your wallet. If you miss a registration deadline or don't get a passing score on your first try, it can delay your graduation, push back your student teaching placement, or even cause you to miss out on hiring windows for the upcoming school year. On the flip side, getting this exam out of the way early opens doors. It makes your resume stand out and proves to principals that you know your stuff. Plus, it clears the path to your dream teaching job without any administrative delays. Now let's talk about how to register for the Praxis. This is totally manageable if you break it down. Registering online through ETS is by far the fastest and easiest route. Here's how you do it. First, check your state requirements. Don't guess which test you need. Every state has different rules for which specific exams are required for your teaching license. So go to the official ETS website and look up your state's requirements page to get the exact test name and code. Step 2 is to create your ETS account. This only takes about 5 minutes. Head to praxis.ets.org and click the Sign In, Register button. Here's a crucial tip. The name you type into your account must match the photo ID you will use on test day. If your ID has your middle name and your account doesn't, they may not let you test and you'll have to let go of your fee. The third step is to select your test. Click Register for a test. Use the exact test name or the numeric code you found in Step 1 to add the right exam to your cart. Step 4 is to choose your testing location and date. If you want to test at a center, search by zip code to find an official testing center near you. Then pick an available date and time. Keep in mind that popular testing dates can fill up quickly, especially during graduation season, so it's better to register as early as possible. Some Praxis exams also offer at-home testing. If yours does, you'll need a compatible computer, a reliable internet connection, and the ETS secure browser for remote proctoring. Now, Step 5 is to select free score recipients. This can actually save you some cash. During checkout, you can choose up to 4 institutions or agencies to receive your scores for free. Take advantage of this now. If you look up your scores later and want to send them manually, ETS charges an extra fee for each report. The final step is checking out. Go through your personal info one last time. If you qualify for a fee waiver, ensure you've submitted that paperwork ahead of time so you can apply the voucher here. Otherwise, pay the exam fee using a credit card, debit card, or PayPal. Once the registration is complete, ETS will send you a confirmation email with your assessment details. Save it somewhere you can easily find it for later. As a bonus, you'll also unlock a free interactive practice test for preparation. While most people register online, ETS also offers registration by phone. But there are a few rules you need to know before dialing. First, you must already have a Praxis account. Second, you must be testing at a center within the U.S. So gather your information before you call. Have your Praxis account username handy. You'll also need the specific test name or numeric code, preferred test center location, and payment details. Remember to call at least 4 days before your desired test date. The phone lines are open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 7:45 p.m. Eastern Time. The agent will walk you through choosing your date and location. When it's time, pay the exam fee plus a surcharge using a credit or debit card, e-check, or PayPal. Yes, you heard it right. ETS charges a $35 surcharge on top of your standard exam fee if you register by phone. Once the call is over, log back into your Praxis account. Your new test date will be listed there. Print out your official admission ticket and bring it with you to the test center on exam day. You can register for the Praxis by mail too, but it takes the longest of all the options. Even though you are mailing a physical form, you must have an ETS account. From there, download and print the test authorization voucher request form, filling out your test codes, score recipient codes, and personal information. The payment method will be mentioned on the form. Once you mail it off, it takes at least 3 weeks for ETS to process it. When you receive the voucher by email, log into your account and use the code to schedule your exam. Another important thing to cover is accommodations. If you have any disabilities, medical conditions, or health-related needs, ETS offers testing accommodations. Just get your accommodations approved before you register or schedule your assessment date. Log into your ETS account and fill out the required request form, such as bulletin supplement for test takers with disabilities or health-related needs. You will need to upload your medical documents or any other forms if asked to. ETS takes about 6 weeks to review the documentation, so keep an eye on your email for an official approval letter. The letter will contain instructions on how to book your test appointment so that your accommodations are active and waiting for you on test day. But what if the assessment date you picked doesn't work out anymore, or you need to switch locations? If you want to reschedule, you can do it through your online profile. Just make the change at least 3 days before your test date, not counting the actual day of your exam. There's also a standard $40 fee to switch your date. If you decide not to take the exam at all, cancel at least 3 days before your scheduled date. This will make you eligible for a 50% refund. If you wait until less than 3 days out, you forfeit your entire fee. The same rule applies if you are a no-show, arrive too late, or get turned away for not bringing the proper photo ID. Speaking of no-shows, what if you completely missed the assessment? The good news is that ETS does not count this as a retake. It means you're exempt from the standard 28-day mandatory waiting period. You can log right back into your ETS profile as early as 3 business days after your missed appointment. Just select the same test and book the next available slot. The only major downside here is financial. Your original registration fee is forfeited as a no-show, so you'll have to pay the full exam fee all over again to secure the new date. Now that you know exactly how to register, your next step is to make sure your study plan is solid. Try making your study routine part of your daily schedule. Even 30 minutes a day of reviewing flashcards or tough math concepts can lead to big results. If you want to take the guesswork out of the entire process, head over to study.com. These Praxis test prep resources will guide you through personalized study plans and practice tests. The lessons cover exactly what you need to work on to get on track. And there you have it, a step-by-step breakdown on how to register for the Praxis. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss any new videos. Once you pass the Praxis exam, please leave a note in the comments so we can all celebrate your success. Good luck!